Oh! 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 Wait! We have to celebrate. It's the first Sunday Garf.
And don't forget the anchovies this time.
It's the first Sunday Garf. Turn off the music real quick. It's the first Sunday Garf.
Ladies and gentlemen, Garfield and friends.
We're ready to party.
We're ready.
I hope you bring lots of spaghetti.
Yeah.
Come on in, come to the place where fun never ends. Come on in, it's time to party with Garfield and friends. Dancing,
Fiesta,
romantic,
fiesta, la bamba,
Ay, caramba!
disguises, surprises, and pies
And pies of
all sizes.
all sizes.
come on in, come to the place where fun never ends. Come on in, it's time to party with Garfield and friends. Come on in, it's time to party with Garfield and friends. Garfield and friends.
Hey, you chewing the gum. I hope you brought enough for everybody.
Classic Garfield. All right, let's get some music back. Well, it's time to read the first Sunday comic. It's time to read the first Sunday one. Let's go. Garfield. He says, cats. Wait, I gotta use the Garfield voice. It's very important. I gotta use the Garfield voice. Cats. We cats are intelligent, soft, cute, furry, cuddly, playful, demure. And then Garfield just wobbles John. Just absolutely shakes John up. Wow, he just goes buck wild on John. And masters of the house. It's true. It's true, cats are that. Well, there we go. That's the first Sunday Garfield. First Sunday Garf. That's the first one. The first Sunday Garf.
Hey, you chewing the gum.
Let's check the comment section. Let's see what people have to say about the first Sunday Garfield. That's why dogs are better. Godfrey Sugar Daddy 69. Why are you here in the Garfield comment section? Oh, I bet there's a bunch of drama here. Dogs for the win. Love dogs. Dogs. No! From Mr. Spock, a big, long no. Wow. Such a long no. Cats? Why are you reading a comic about cats, then? From I Like Cats. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. I like cats. I Like Cats has got this right. Why are you? Why are you reading this Garfield comic, if that's what you think? Dogs suck? Well, I wouldn't go that far. I like dogs, too. We can have peace between dogs and cats. Okay, fine with me. Grrr. Same reason people read Get Fuzzy if they like cats more than dogs. I don't know what Get Fuzzy is. What is Get Fuzzy? What's Get Fuzzy? What is Get Fuzzy? Get Fuzzy is legit. Get Fuzzy. Some Get Fuzzy fans here? It's another comic. Well, it's wonderful to know there's other comics out there. I don't know how they hold up to Garfield. I don't know how they hold up to Garfield, but... Let's move on to the next Garf.